2015, we did not see any growth in the total market. Furthermore, in the first quarter of this year, the total cigarette market declined by 5.9%, reflecting a weak economic environment and the impact of excise tax-driven price increases. Despite the challenging environment, our business performance continues to position Sampoerna as the leading cigarette company in Indonesia. The company's net revenues in 2015 increased by 10.4% to 89.1 trillion from 80.7 trillion in 2014. Excluding excise taxes and VAT, the 2015 adjusted net revenues increased by 8.9% to 42.1 trillion rupiah. The increase in revenues was primarily driven by favorable pricing. The company's we managed to improve our profitability from the prior year, namely gross profit, EBITDA, as well as net profit. Sampoerna's gross profit grew by 6.2% due to pricing partially offset by higher production costs, reflecting increases in the minimum wage and raw material costs. Also contributing to Sampoerna's increased production costs were the amendments made to the contractual production volume for which the company paid 604.3 billion rupiah to our third-party operators. In the first quarter of 2016, Sampoerna's gross profit grew by 3.4% due to pricing partially offset by lower volume and unfavorable mix. Our EBITDA was up 0.7%, reflecting an increase in operating expenses and higher wages. As mentioned, we continue to increase our investments for marketing and advertisement to support our brands. Interest income helped to push our net profit growth to 7.6%. Our reported earnings per share for full year 2015 and first quarter 2016 were up 0.9% and 2% respectively. We continue to maximize shareholder returns through dividends. In 2015, the company declared and paid dividends of 12.3 trillion rupiah, or equivalent to 120% of 2014 profit. As per shareholders' general meeting held this morning, the company has declared a dividend with a total amount of 10.4 trillion, or 2,225 rupiah per share, equivalent to 99.9% of prior year's profit.